Okay, so today I'm going to be showing us how you can use Hikvision NVR to separate your display. For instance, if you have your gate man that you don't want them to see what is the cameras that you have indoor, so you can use this NVR to achieve it, because it's having HDMI and VGA that are independent. And so now the devices that I'll be using for the practical is this NVR, an 8-channel NVR, the K series, and I have the VGA. I have the HDMI connected to one of the monitors. I have the VGA connected to the second monitor. And I have two cameras connected to the back of the NVR in direct connection. This is camera 1 and this is camera 2. So how can you achieve this? It's all about configuration. From the main screen, I have my mouse connected to the NVR, controlling the main screen. Under configuration, you go to live view, and under live view you can have the view settings. This will give you output interface for HDMI, and you see this is VGA output as well. So for NVR that doesn't support this, all you're going to see is HDMI/VGA, and you won't have the second option. Okay, so now let's say, for instance, our first camera, we want it to display on D1, which is the outdoor camera, So all you need to do is make sure that D1 is switched on like this. This is how to switch it on. Okay, so if you want to switch on D2, click on it, then you switch it on. Okay, D2 is on. You can switch it off as well, because what we want to achieve is to make only D1 to be on. Then you change to the VGA, which is like specifying the cameras that you want to come on the VGA output, which is the maybe possibly the indoor now. So I want my D2 to come on the VGA, and I initially have switched it on. I have to switch it off so that you can understand what I'm saying now, so you can switch it on back. Now remember, D1 has been positioned for HDMI, right? And D2 is now positioned for VGA. Okay, so once you are done with this, make sure you click on apply, and here is the output for the VGA. Here is the output for the VGA, and for the HDMI, go back to the live view. Here is the output. So you can see D2 that I switch off is showing this Hikvision icon, and the D2 that I switch off on VGA as well is showing Hikvision output. Okay, so you can do your manipulation just any way you want it. The only thing you need to note is that the VGA output is going to be acting like an auxiliary output, whereby you won't have control other than to view on this second monitor. But on the first monitor, which is the HDMI output, you can have control. So you can use this one for the owner, and you can use this one for the security guys. Thank you.